Looking for AC installation and replacement in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how crucial it is to stay cool during the summer heat. Our AC installation and replacement services are designed to improve comfort and energy efficiency in your home or business. Whether you're upgrading to a high-efficiency unit or replacing an outdated system, our expert technicians ensure smooth, professional installations. In Edmonton, where temperatures can get extreme, having a reliable cooling system is essential. Choose Kingstree Plumbing for fast, same-day service and transparent pricing. We've built our reputation on quality, customer satisfaction, and efficiency. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for AC installation and replacement in Edmonton.